all of them. I'm really surprised with the level of the local players. Obviously, I knew a few of them, and after the Durand Cup performance, I had a very good impression of all of them. But what I saw in these 2 months is very, very good, and made me feel very, very optimistic for this league.
Prior to this,
What I asked to the club after the Durand Cup, and knowing the big gap we had from the last match of the Durand Cup till the first match of our league, what I required them was to have at least one friendly match each week, and the club managed perfectly everything, and we had 12 friendly matches in all this time, so we could prepare everything. Obviously, we couldn't play against strong teams, strong clubs. However, we had the minimum level required to play against other clubs, other teams, that made us to get better every day, to get better and to carry on with the preparation properly as we expected before. Can and the other general manager can reply better than me in that point.
So yeah, recently there was some news floating around about issues between the AFF and the I-League clubs, but in the last few days developments have been very positive. So we are hoping that all issues are resolved by before the first match of the I-League, which will start tomorrow, and hopefully we'll get an announcement by the I-League of a broadcast.
as the CEO of
So I think you can see from last season the broadcast was very minimal compared to previous seasons, and that's why all the I-League clubs came together after Durand Cup in the month of September, and we have come together with one united front, a genuine request by I-League clubs that at least the broadcast of the I-League has to be taken very seriously, because it also affects the visibility of the league. It affects the sponsorship generation of each and every club. So it's important for the sustainability of the clubs also. So and that's why we're happy in the last 2 months, whatever communications we've had with the All India Football Federation. So we will see the positive developments now in the next few days, like I mentioned earlier. Yeah, that is something I think which will be clearer on the part of the All India Football Federation and the I-League committee. But I think with broadcast, it's all about the property and all about the budgets. So there I think to broadcast about 156 matches, it's not an easy cost, considering that the I-League clubs are based all across India, each and every corner, right from the northeast, from Aizawl to down to Kozhikode in Kerala. So there are a lot of costs in terms of production. So with that, I think there's obviously difficulty with managing the budgets also.
which you
Sorry, about Sochi Brother, we haven't any information about them right now. New coach, new squad. Sadly, we couldn't obtain information from the practice matches. They didn't play any tournament where we could get that information. So what we had to do and what we're going to do is to face everything on our squad. That is the point we can handle, we can prepare, and what we're doing is to carry on with our preparation, with our plan, in order to get better every day and to perform as we expect with the highest level, and the same for the league, for the full season. What we're going to do is to carry on as we did from the first day I came here. We started in the Durand Cup with a plan. The plan is ongoing, and what we're going to try is to win all matches. Obviously, we are going to go out every match with the idea of winning. Is it possible? Hopefully, yes. It will be complicated, very complicated. It will be very hard, very hard. But the players are very hungry. They know this is a very good platform this year for the club, for the players, for the staff, for the management. And we're going to take advantage of this situation we have now, and we will do our best. And what I want to transmit right now, from this moment onwards, to all the supporters, to all the faithfuls, that we are going to give everything to the faithfuls, to Shillong, to Meghalaya, to become this in a milestone. And that is what we've got in front of us.
any target you have set for this season?
The best. Simple like that. I think you know what I'm talking about. The best target is the best target. Is to be on the top.
Try to be on top.
Top.
The top target. Why not? It's not possible. It's not allowed. Is there any rule in India or in Malaya or I find that they don't allow out to be on the top? Why not? Why I'm not going to be ambitious? We are not mediocre people. We are very ambitious people. We are very hungry people. So we're going to do our best and to be on the top. We can. The talent is here. The sacrifice is here. The passion is here. The great effort is here. So why we are not going to expect for the best? We will try every day.
Nadu mila pakai mentala dan arbonai. Te borohi players kilai shitom. Te borohi players kia don ke wei kicing terang ke wei kicing mud. Ba mental senen ngin-alehkai bha bangin yo ban rai kenika ai lik kenika senen bynta.
Dia kumno kajing don itu ke squad ke tim ke hang ke sama ibu kita atau dan don kajing dunane fiso kum ki players bila ahmadan kalabian yang minta kesnem
Trei mental senen te ban compare berkiwi senen mental ka senen lang borohi players kia fit nama lasia pun players nadu pas dangki don ki pampat fit yai ngri mentapat borohi long fit te plus ki foreigner borohi shitom te kacing wan cuki kacing gerap cuki long mentau sene ngatrai ni mila ban poi beci ketong ni
Kalian sama naik BP di press ki baladon beta batnya nek pot te mengi kum ki players kum klub nadu ki management ki coaching staff ki players ni la long ki balapan khreh hakane ga ailik bat da kacing shitom jongi lang barok akanan bangin yo jabat umba kacing kersan ngakermen bagi paipat wan kesan yangi kumbagi wan kesan hakini di game baladep kam tama kadron kop bat ga niga ailik ro baladep ngakermen bagi wan kesan yangi kunjuk bat ngakermen umba kacing kesan jongki inyo kacing job
ke game pada kau ke Churchill Brothers
long ke game ga bae yangi bat kan de ro ka fast game bat kan long ke bakam kalong kongsan ha bangin job nang ba inyo mesin nang lagi game banang semat.
thank you all the best